Welcome back to the second channel. A lot of you guys might have run into this specific issue where for some reason you're not able to install certain Android apps on your phone. It could probably come into a thing like this. So this is just a smaller example. I actually just took this image online. You might see something that says like app not installed, or if you're probably installing an APK from your root browser, whatever the case is, and you try to go this way, it probably won't be able to go through. You'll probably see app not installed, or you might get something like this, some type of pop-up, especially if you're on a skinned version of Android. This is more so stock, this is more so skinned, but this will probably be in English and not this specific language. So if you run into this specific issue, there's two ways to fix it. Now, the first way is probably 99% of you who are affected. That's the main way to fix it, and that is actually to delete some storage from your device. So if you're not seeing that, most likely it's because you don't have enough storage in your device, or that app is broken. The APK file that you downloaded is broken in some format, so I would recommend downloading another APK file and going that way. So if we go into storage, I'm on Android Q right now on this device. It could be different on yours. So if you see right here, you can usually go into apps, and you'll be able to see a bunch of different apps and the sizes that they take. And if you go into your storage and you see that you have a lot of storage taken up and you don't have enough storage for that specific app, you'll have to delete some games, some apps, some photos here and there, and some main things like that. And as you can see on my device, I have about 95.2 gigs available. I used up 32. I didn't even know this was the 128 model. That's pretty surprising. And as you can see, I have enough storage. So what you want to do, go to your device's storage and make sure you have enough storage to install that specific app. If you're downloading a game that's like 2 gigs of an APK file, you'll probably need some more storage if I'm being honest. And the longer that it takes to install that specific app, the bigger that game is or the bigger that app is. So like I said, that's the main way to fix it. The other way to fix it, like I said, is to make sure that your specific APK file is not broken. If you're downloading an APK file and it is somehow broken or it's not installing properly, whatever, that might mean that APK file is damaged. So you will actually have to go and download another APK file. If you're downloading a game like Temple Run, you actually have to go download another APK from a different website or a different server or whatever the case is, because chances are, if you have enough storage, that specific APK file is probably broken. Now another way to fix this, so I guess the third way, and this one is not very common, I haven't really seen too many people talk about this, but in some cases, not every case, but if you turn off the Wi-Fi and you try to install the app that way, sometimes it does fix it. Now that has not been verified by me, I've just heard it said a couple times on some forums, so I would test it that way. I don't really know what that would do, but that would be like the third outcome. That's probably the least likely way to fix it, but that's another option if you want to take a shot for it. So that really pretty much covers it. If you guys have any questions or anything, leave it down in the comment section below. Hit that like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel, all those links are linked down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys could check it out. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.